We are recording. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the team board. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. 40 underdogs coming at you. Let's do this. Actually, you know what? Real quick. I'm just going to try to clean some of the marker off of my fingers for you guys to make sure my hands are nice and clean for this break. Give me a second here. I know these cards are all in containers, but, you know, it's the point.
Yep.
It's the principle of the thing. Here we go. Here we go, gang. First hit of the break. Rookie card out of Mosaic. Brian Thomas Jr. on the rookie auto out of Mosaic. This one is, oh, wow. Okay, not numbered. Still nice. BTJ, that's the Jags. That is going to Skull Nation. And we are off and running, guys. We are on our way.
That's nice.
Yep.
That next break is pinned right down below for you guys. It's break 2090. That'll be running next, guys. Go grab your teams in that break.
Full case of impeccable hobby, guys. Slab. 2019 Panini Donruss Optic. Gem Mint 10. Okay, we like that. DK Metcalf on the hollow rated rookie. Gem Mint 10. Going to the Seahawks. Seahawks is Jay Berry. Nice hit. Another slab. Okay. 2023 NBA Hoops. Gem Mint 10. Nice. Jimmy Butler Presentations. Gem Mint 10. Going to the Dolphins. Miami Heat goes to the Miami Dolphins. That is Mike Baker. Congrats, Mike. I like the presentations. I think that's a cool card. I'm a fan. Thinking about trying to add one of those to my PC. Prism, rookie, J-Mo.
Nice.
Jamison Williams on the silver Prism rookie card for the Lions. That's Josh. There you go, Josh. Yeah, Mike, the recording, we always post our replays on YouTube. So if you go follow us on YouTube or subscribe on YouTube, we post all of our replays on our YouTube channel. Wow. Okay. Rookie class, 1989-1990. David Robinson, RPA? Wow. Or is it an RPA or is it just a flashback fabrics? Okay,
No, that's
so
RBA. Rookie class.
it says rookie class on there.
What year?
What's the thing?
I think that's RPA.
I don't think it's RPA, dude. I think it's just like a throwback. It says flashback fabric, so it's not actual rookie. It's just a patch
2005,
auto.
2006.
Still sick patch auto. San Antonio Spurs goes to the Pittsburgh Steelers. Well, this is a shorty. He was a rookie in the 1900s. Wow. Craigie T. Here's another rookie. Raiders. Ooh, Josh Jacobs on the rookie auto. This one is numbered to 50. Numbered to 50. Going to the Raiders. Raiders is Jared. And I think, by the way, this one... Was it numbered? No, not numbered. Okay. Yeah, I was born in the 1900s also. I never even thought about it like that until my nephew saw my birthday written down, and he's like, the 1900s? Wow. I was like, what? But it is the 1900s. Mosaic again. Here we go. SGA.
Nice.
SGA Genesis. On the Mosaic. Is this Genesis?
Yeah.
Nice. This one goes to the Kansas City Chiefs. Chiefs is Kurt. Nice job. Nice hit, Kurt. Slab. 2023 Prism. Mint 9. Bryce Young on the red sparkle rookie card. Look at that. Camera can't even focus. It's so sparkly. Red sparkle gem mint 9. Or mint 9, I should say. Bryce Young 2023 Prism. Going to the Panthers. And the Panthers is Richard.
No Steelers yet, no.
Steelers? Yeah, San Antonio Spurs.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Steelers gets the David Robinson patch auto.
I didn't see it. I forgot all about that.
Yeah. Mosaic. I'm sorry. Phoenix. Garrett Wilson. Garrett Wilson on the Phoenix auto color match. This one is numbered to 25. Green to 25. Going to the Jets. Jets is J-Beer. All right, this is box number 10, guys. After this, we're 1/4 of the way through. Rookie, Bengals. Wow. Jamar Chase rookie ticket. On-card auto. For the Bengals.
Very nice.
Very nice.
I said Bengals.
Bengals is T731. Rookie King, Sunday King. Rookie King, Xavier Worthy. Another one for the Chiefs. There you go, Chiefs. Xavier Worthy on the Rookie Kings. Not bad. All right, that's... All right, yeah, we're starting... this is number 12. '23 Bowman Chrome, Gem Mint 10. Wow. Junior Caminero, Gem Mint 10, first Bowman Mojo Chrome.
Nice.
Going to the Tampa Bay Bucks. Tampa Bay is Jeff. One of 99. Michael Strahan on the National Treasures patch auto. First on the print in 99. Going to the Giants. That's Shannon. Nice hit, Shannon. Impeccable. Wow. Master Strokes, Darrell Revis, 14 of 25 out of Impeccable. This one's going to the Jets and J-Beer.
Nice.
Nice hit, J-Beer. Best cornerback of all time. Another slab. 2023 Select. Gem Mint 10. C.J. Stroud on the Silver Prism rookie card.
Nice.
Going to the Texans. Texans is Mike Sold Texas. There you go, Mike. CJ Stroud on the rookie Gem Mint 10. Another slab. 2024 Mosaic, Gem Mint 10. Wow. Jaden Daniels on the green Mosaic rookie card, Gem Mint 10, going to the Commanders. Commanders is Richard.
Nice hit, Commanders.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Select rookie on the lime green, Evan Mobley. Evan Mobley on the rookie auto. This one is numbered to 99, going to the Cleveland Browns. The Browns is Yoder. There you go, Yoder. Nice hit, Yoder.
Nice hit, Yoder.
Rookie Kings. This is a big card right
Nice.
now. Jonathan Taylor, Rookie Kings out of Optic. Numbered to 49, class of 2020. Big hit for the Colts. That is Kurt, Coach Kurt. XL, swatch autos. Ooh.
Nice.
Kyler Murray on the RPA. This one is numbered to 25. Nice little hit here for the Cardinals. Cardinals is Mike Sold, Texas. There you go, Mike. And this is box number 20, guys. After this one, we will be halfway. Metal. Ooh, look at this. Panini 1. Bang. Panini 1. Joe Montana Color Blast. This is the metal Panini 1 card.
Nice.
Huge hit for the 49ers. 49ers is Roro. Nice hit, Roro. Nice hit, Roro.
Nice, Roro.
All right, here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Second half of the break. Second half of the break. Let's do this. Slab time. 2022 Chronicles, Gem Mint 10. Olave Essentials Red Auto. Rookie auto, numbered to 99. Chris Olave on the Essentials auto. Going to the Saints, and that is Solomon. There you go, Solomon. Dame time. Damian Lillard, fast break auto on the Disco Prism, numbered to 49, going to the Packers. Milwaukee Bucks goes to the Packers. Nice hit. That is Man Bear Pig. Man Bear Pig.
Guys, impeccable case break is up next. Prices have been slashed significantly since the last time we ran it a few days ago. So take advantage down below. We have a couple teams down already. That's a full case coming up next, so you know we're getting the bar in there. Go grab your teams down below, guys.
Get in that next break, everybody. We got Lions. We got Phoenix. We got Sam Laporta on the auto.
What's that number to?
Let's find out. It is black, but I don't see a number on here, as a matter of fact. Interesting. It's a black parallel, but not numbered. Going to the Lions. So you got J-Mo and you got Laporta autos. That's not bad. 2 hits for the Lions. Rookie Bears. Caleb Williams on the silver rookie prism. Silver prism rookie. Going to the Bears. That is Fathead. Nice hit, Fathead. Optic. Jordan Addison on the Optic rated rookie on-card auto. Numbered to 99. Going to the Vikings. The Vikings is Millwright Mike. There you go, Mike. Nice hit, Mike.
Dolphins and Vikings are down. Impeccable, guys. Go grab your teams down below.
Whoa. Trevor Lawrence on, this is Smokescreen. That is a case hit out of Panini Black, guys. Trevor Lawrence Smokescreen. That's sick. I've never seen one like that before. Going to the Jaguars, that's Skull Nation. There you go, Skull. Bengals. Woo-hoo-hoo. Joe Burrow out of Impeccable. Speaking of Impeccable, guys, this is numbered to 8. Joe Burrow numbered to 8.
Nice color match.
Yeah, very nice. Going to the Bengals. Bengals T again. Also, you got, look at that. You got the Jamar Chase and the Joe Burrow.
Hit so far, I don't know. It might be Joe Burrow, maybe the Color Blast, Joe Montana. I mean, the Jamar Chase or the Color Blast. David Robinson's pretty cool too. Bryce Young,
Slab.
Red Sparkle, those go for money. Sparkles.
2023 Mosaic, mint 9. Cooper Cup stained glass, awesome. Going to the Rams. Cooper Cup stained glass, mint 9. Rams is Shannon. There you go, Shannon. Champion signatures. Oh, wow. Another Darrelle Revis auto. This one, though, goes to the Patriots. Patriots is Solomon. There you go. Revis out of Spectra. Numbered to 15. Nice.
One of the best to ever do it.
Yep. Absolutely. All right, guys. This is box number 30. We got 10 more to go after this. '18 Panini Spectra. We got Authentic Auto 10. Interesting. What do we got here? Wow. Luka Doncic, Rising Stars with the auto. This is a huge card.
That's got to be
That's
it.
I think that might be it right there, boys. 49, numbered to 49. Luka on the rookie, or Rising Stars, I should say. Auto.
That is a rookie.
That's nasty.
Sheesh. All right. Make some room.
Who had the Cowboys?
Going to the Cowboys. Cowboys is Huck Finn.
Finn, let's go. That's
Huck
a huge
Finn.
hit.
Nice hit, Huck. Nice hit. Guys, we still got 10 more to go here. There's Ethan. Huck's in here.
Auto? That's crazy.
That is nuts. Look how thin he looks in that picture. Oh, Pen Pals. Omarion Hampton on the Pen Pals. This is the blue Pen Pals out of Elite. Sorry?
It's my guy right there.
Nice.
Hoping for a speedy recovery.
Rookie auto. Yeah, you're probably not going to get that, unfortunately. He's still in a walking boot.
Thanks.
I'm just stating a fact, man. Just calling it
Rooting
out.
for Tajay Spears.
Here we go. Tops. Well, hello.
Wow.
Shohei Ohtani, rookie debut. Another nice hit for the Rams. How you doing? Crazy Cat G-Man. That's Shannon. Angels go to the Rams. That's why you get the Rams, guys. For Shohei.
Hip hip Shohei.
Obsidian. Chargers again. Quentin Johnston on the RPA. Numbered to, it's first on the print. That's jersey match. Jersey match to 49.
Nice.
Quentin Johnston going to the Chargers. Another nice one for the Chargers.
Jared, if you want another team in that break, let me know. Let me know. I got you.
Yeah, guys.
Broncos down, Falcons down, Patriots down. Guys, teams are coming down in impeccable. Go grab them.
Get in that next break, guys. Get in that next break. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Panini 1 here. Texans? Oh, nice. Nico Collins on the quad patch auto, numbered to 99. Going to the Texans. Nice hit, Texans. All right, here we go. Passing the torch.
I got you.
Dolphins, Tyreek Hill passing the torch, numbered to 25. Wow. Wait, what's on the back?
Yeah.
Bang. Mark Duper. Mark Duper and Tyreek Hill passing the torch out of Elite, going to the Dolphins. That is Mike Baker. Nice hit, Mike. 5 more to go here, guys. 5 more boxes. Good luck, everybody.
You're good to go on Seattle.
Another slab here. 2023 Phoenix. Mint 9. Zay Flowers. RPA. Look at that. Out of Phoenix. Sick RPA there. Is this numbered? Yes, numbered to 50. Numbered to 50. Going to the Ravens. Nice hit, Ravens. 4 more.
Jared, you're good to go on Seattle. Bang, they're down.
There you go.
Anybody else, guys, let me know. If you want to do combo deals like Jared, let me know. Jared, if you want another team, I got you again. Let me know.
Black. Baker. Wow, look at that patch.
Wow.
Starlight Materials, Baker Mayfield, numbered to 25. Look at that patch. Whew. Going to the Bucks and Jeff. Nice hit. Three more. Oh. Zoom! Stephon Diggs on the Zoom out of Zenith.
Nice.
I like these cards. That is going to the Bills. That is Jeff. There you go, Jeff.
Well, guys, we got 2 boxes left here. Impeccable up next, guys. We got 6 teams down already, I believe. Go ahead, grab your teams. We will be loading up another break in just a few minutes as well, guys, so don't go anywhere.
Spectra. Debo. Debo on the RPA. Oh, man. Wow. Numbered first on the print to 35. First on the print to 35. Debo RPA. 49ers Roro. What a hit. Wow. Last box of the break, ladies and gents. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. It's a slab. Let's close it out strong. 2020 Panini Donruss. Gem Mint 10. All right, we're closing it out strong. Here we go. Woo! Jerry Jeudy downtown. Damn. What a way to end the break, guys.
Solomon.
Going to the Broncos and Solomon. Jerry Jeudy downtown. Fantastic. All right, guys. Congrats to everybody who hit there. If you didn't, jump in the next break. I'm going to do a little recap here. We're just going to go through everything that's on the table here, and we're going to...
Yes, Craigie,
keep
we
it
said that
moving
a
along.
few times. Yes.
Yeah, we did say that many times, Craigie. That was said many times. All right, so here we go, guys. Recap time. We got Jerry Jeudy downtown for the Broncos. Zay Flowers on the patch auto. Obviously for the Ravens. We got Steph Diggs on the Zoom going to the Bills. Chargers had a couple nice hits. You got Quentin Johnston on the RPA, numbered to 49 jersey match. And then you also got the Omarion Hampton Pen Pals on the blue for the Chargers.
You're at 20K, guys. That new giveaway's up for the Kaboom Chase.
Giveaway's live, guys. Free Kaboom Chase. Get in that giveaway. Caleb Williams, rookie silver prism for the Bears. We got Cooper Kupp on the stained glass, mint 9, going to the Rams. Deebo Samuel on the RPA, numbered to 35, first on the print to 35 for the 49ers. Nico Collins, quad patch auto to 99, Panini 1, going to the Texans. Passing the torch, Tyreek Hill, Mark Duper, passing the torch to 25 for the Dolphins. Damian Lillard, fast break disco auto, numbered to 49, going to the Bucks or the Packers. Darrelle Revis, champion signatures, on-card auto, numbered to 15, going to the Patriots. Evan Mobley, rookie auto, out of select, numbered to 99, going to the Cleveland Browns. David Robinson patch auto. This is not numbered, going to the Steelers. Trevor Lawrence on the smokescreen case hit, out of Panini Black, going to the Jaguars. Joe Burrow, out of Impeccable, numbered to 8, going to the Bengals. Jamar Chase, rookie ticket. On-card auto, going to the Bengals. A couple nice hits for the Bengals there. DK Metcalf on the hollow, Gem Mint 10, rated rookie, out of Optic, going to the Seahawks. CJ Stroud on the Silver Prism, Gem Mint 10, going to the Texans. Jaden Daniels on the rookie green mosaic, Gem Mint 10, going to the Commanders. Brian Thomas Jr. on the rookie auto out of mosaic, going to the Jags. Lions, Sam Laporta on the auto out of Phoenix. Also for the Lions, Silver Prism rookie auto, Jamison Williams. Josh Jacobs, numbered to 50 on the auto, rookie auto, going to the Raiders. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts, rookie auto, rookie Kings, numbered to 49, Colts.
So guys, we just added another break into the shop. It's a half case of Panini Black, and there's 15 Moneyline all-ins in there. It's a $100 floor to $500 ceiling on the Moneyline all-ins. It's $200 a spot. We are doing a random team break, guys. Half case of Panini Black and 15 all-ins. So that's about half the teams are guaranteed a card between $100 and $500. And then you have Panini Black on top of it, guys. Teams are in the shop. Grab your teams there. Grab your teams in Impeccable. Let's get it, guys.
Darrelle Revis, numbered to 25 on card auto. This one's going to the Jets. Out of Impeccable.
You know how I did that?
No.
So,
Michael Strahan, National
Go to
Treasures,
type, right?
first on the print to 99. Patch auto. Going to the
hold
Giants.
Windows button and period.
Jimmy Butler Presentations, Gem Mint 10. Going to the Miami Dolphins. Another one for the Dolphins, I
You
think.
can search the emojis also there if you want.
Okay.
Chris Olave on the Essentials autograph. Numbered to 99. Rookie auto. Gem Mint 10. Going to the Saints. Kyler Murray, RPA. Numbered to 25. Going to the Cardinals. SGA on the Mosaic, what did you say, Genesis?
Genesis, yeah.
Going to the Chiefs. Baker Mayfield, Starlight Materials, numbered to 25 on the sick patch for the Bucks. Shohei Ohtani, rookie debut out of Topps, going to the Rams. Jordan Addison, on-card auto, rated rookie out of Optic, numbered to 99, going to the Vikings. Garrett Wilson on the color match auto out of Phoenix, numbered to 25, going to the Jets. Xavier Worthy on the Rookie Kings out of Optic for the Chiefs. Junior Caminero, Gem Mint 10, first Bowman Chrome Mojo for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Bryce Young, Red Sparkle, Mint 9 rookie card going to the Panthers. We got Joe Montana on the Panini 1 Metal Color Blast for the 49ers. And the hit of the break right here, we got a Luka rookie card with an auto 10 out of Spectra going to the, it's numbered to 49.
Now, Mike, we didn't even ship out F-148 yet.
Going to the Dallas Cowboys. And that's the break, guys. Congrats to everybody who hit. If you didn't hit, jump in the next.